Hi students, Dr. McGathey here from Math 85. I just wanted to walk you through how to take that exam that is posted and how to get your second attempt if something goes wrong. So on WebAssign here, you'll see when you click on the exam, actually here I'll take you through this as well. From your homepage, of course, you have a quiz that's due today and an exam that's due next Friday, April 10th. So the exam, because this is our first time using this technology to create exams or to take exams, I wanted to give you some leeway with your submissions. So first of all, when you go to take the exam, you type your answers into these boxes here. And don't hit submit until the very end after you've answered all of the questions. And also, if you need to step away or you're afraid you're going to lose your work, you can always hit save assignment progress. And then when you are all done answering all of the questions, you submit the assignment. That'll turn the exam in and you won't be able to work on it anymore. It'll automatically grade it for you, right? So suppose that you accidentally hit submit assignment before you were actually ready. Then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom and where it says new randomization, you click there and it will generate new numbers for you so that you can retake this test, okay? So hit new randomization, then you can go in and type in all of your answers for these new problems, and when you get all the way down to the bottom, hit submit assignment, and it'll automatically grade for you, okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help.